we're good.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video. Today on all them healers.
You got that song, didn't you?
On all them haters.
You got that from Jake Paul.
Right.
You did.
Today we do what's inside a member.
Yeah, don't read it. Don't read it.
Why?
You're not allowed to read it.
Why?
No, don't show them barcode.
Why?
Because they can steal it.
Yeah, no, I don't care. Look. Hello. Look,
I don't
everyone
think
I can tell. Ready up that. So anyway,
You dropped it.
we are gonna cut it open in 3, 2.
May not look like
Sharp
someone else.
scissors.
Watch someone else.
I'm gonna try this first.
Yeah, that's not gonna work.
Nope. So.
Right, let's cut it.
One in each swing. George, you're a cameraman, not a toucher man. See, one in each sink. One here and one here. What's inside?
Why?
What's inside? Plastic.
It's just plastic.
So, thank you for watching this video, guys. See you later.
Ow! Why?
Stop it. I have to record. I'm trying to. See you later. Oh, no. Someone to hit me. Okay, that was good.